guys, this is Flora again, and I hope that you and your family are safe from the typhoon and that you are all in good shape. Before we formally begin, I'd like to inform you how grateful I am that you are watching this video. Do you know why? Because the moment you clicked the link simply signifies that you learned something from my previous video and that you wanted to learn more from me and you trusted me. Thank you so much. By the way, for those of you who haven't watched my previous video yet, I have indicated the link in the description box below. Feel free to watch it in your free time. Also, I'd like to emphasize that the contents of my videos are not only suitable for those who are aiming to be call center agents, but also for anyone who wish to improve his or her communication skills for professional growth. And if you've noticed, the contents are also suitable or appropriate for kids. So if you have kids and if you wish your kid or child or children to speak like I do, feel free to show them my videos. So without further ado, let's go now to our lesson. You have your other device ready so you can record your voice and listen to it after the end of this video, as well as your pen and paper where you can jot down notes which are important for you. So our topic in this video is about the long vowel E sound. Let's produce the sound. Please repeat after me. E, E. Awesome. Now, I have come up with another idea to help you improve your communication skill, and that is to add few vocabulary words to enhance your vocabulary. So, we will do the same drill. I will read the words, meanings, phrases, sample sentences, and texts, and please repeat after me. So let's start with the first word. Please repeat after me. Concede. Again, concede. It means to acknowledge grudgingly or hesitantly. Again, to acknowledge grudgingly or hesitantly. For example, he is not ready to concede the election. Again, he is not ready to concede the election. Wonderful. Now, going to the next word, proceed. Again, proceed. It means to go or come before. Again, to go or come before. Example, the meeting was preceded by a brief welcoming speech. Again, the meeting was preceded by a brief welcoming speech. Perfect. Now, for the third vocabulary word, easel. Again, easel. It means a frame for supporting something. Again, A frame for supporting something. Example: the easel got broken when it fell to the ground. Again, the easel got broken when it fell to the ground. Good job. Now, let's practice reading some words. Words with one E. Please repeat after me. Me, be, he. Words with double E, as in feet, sheep, tree, eel, wheel, queen, need. Good job. Now, words with E and A, as in eagle, pea, seal, leaf, easel, seat, teacher. Awesome. Now, words with E followed by a consonant and another E. Please repeat after me. Proceed, theme, eve, concede, precede. Perfect. So now let's go to practice reading some phrases. Please repeat after me. Meet Pete. 3 fleet. Free the bee. A deep sleep. A piece of meat. Feel the breeze. Keep the seed. Wonderful. Now we're done, and let's go to your favorite part, which is tongue twister. Let's read it slowly first. Please repeat after me. Each, Easter, Eddie, eats, 80, Easter, eggs. One more time. Each, Easter, Eddie, eats, 80, Easter, eggs. A little bit faster. Each Easter, Eddie eats 80 Easter eggs. One more time. Each Easter, Eddie eats 80 Easter eggs. Now, can you do it alone? I know that you're doing good, so good job. Now, let's go to the sample sentences. Please repeat after me. I see a peach seed. A seal is on the beach. Did you meet the queen? The green leaf is on the tree. Keep your feet off
the seed. Perfect. All right, so now let's read a short text. I will read it line by line, and please repeat after me. Meet the Creeps by Sue Palmer. Mr. Creep is far from sweet. He's got 3 legs and smelly feet. Mrs. Creep is the creepy queen. Her knees are blue and her hair is green. Teeny Creep likes to peep, so he always wins at hide and seek. The creepiest 3 you'll ever meet. The creepy creeps from Creepy Street. All right, so let's do it again. Meet the Creeps by Sue Palmer. Mr. Creep is far from sweet. He's got 3 legs and smelly feet. Mrs. Creep is the creepy queen. Her knees are blue and her hair is green. Teeny Creep likes to peep, so he always wins at hide and seek. The creepiest 3 you'll ever meet. The creepy creeps from Creepy Street. Now we're done with this topic, and I hope that you learned something from this video. If you feel that this video would help other people, like your friends or other family members who wish to work in the call center industries, then feel free to share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!